Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to order your data by numbers or to sort your data by number on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So there is two methods to sort your data by numbers. The first one is by applying just a normal sorting. All we have to do is to select our range of data. For example, if we want to sort by the price, or for example in my table here I want to sort with the price, so I will select first the price column, then I will go to the other range. After that I will go to data, and here you will find a button that is called or named sort range. After that we will click if you want to sort to sort your range ascendingly or descendingly. So for example, if I want to range the e column descending, as you can see it will be from the highest value to the lowest. There is another method to do the sorting is by applying a function. The function is called sort. So after initiating our function with the equal operator, I will click on source or type source, then open the parentheses, and I will choose the range of data. My range this time is this one. Then I will separate with a comma. Then I will choose the column that I want to sort. Here all you have to insert is the index. In my case here, the index means the first column or the second or three. As we did lately, we wanted to sort by the price. So I will choose the third column of my range. Then I will uh, double quotes, I will type double quotes, and if you want to be a sorting ascending sorting, so you will type true, and if you want it to be descending, all you have is to write false. After that, all you have is to close your parentheses and your table will be sorted. Let's do it another time, or just change it and make it true, so it will be ascending like true. And as you can see, the order or the sorting has been changed. So those are the method to sort or to order your table or your data by numbers. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.